Today we're going to be demonstrating how to convert the mechanical controller on a P1 PD series pump. We'll be working with the latest B-mod version of the control, which has been updated and improved versus the previous A-mod controls. These latest controls have the ability to be quickly and easily modified to fit your customer's application, and they're no longer rotation dependent like the previous A-mod version. To complete these conversions, you'll need only a few items. You're going to need obviously the base control. You're going to need the service manual, which is located online. You're going to need the corresponding conversion kits. And you're going to need SAE Wrenches, SAE Hex Keys, and torque control, or torque wrench. All right, for our next conversion, I'm going to take this AM control, which is a remote pressure compensator, and convert it to an LO control, which is the load sense control. And we're going to need the same tools as we had before, so your 1¼ wrench, your torque wrench, 5/16, 3/16, and a 2.5mm Allen. And you're going to need the S2E 20466-5K kit. So as with other conversions in these kits, there's a few different items. You're going to have the mechanical items, and then you are going to have a set of instructions that details all of the different possible conversions that you can do. And you'll look through this until you find the sheet that corresponds to the conversion you're doing. So in this instance, we're doing AM to LO. I set it aside, and I'll set the other instructions to the side as well. On the left side and the bottom, it's showing me all the different items that I need to remove. On the right, it's showing me the items I need to add. So I'm going to start on the bottom, and I'm going to remove item 12, which is an orifice on this AM control. So using an 1¼ wrench, I will loosen this, which I have already done this, so I've already got it finger tight. And I'll take out the pressure compensator adjustment. I'll set that to the side. And down in the bottom, there are two holes. One is a through hole, and the other has the orifice. I'm going to use my 2.5mm Allen to access the orifice and remove it. All right. There is the orifice removed. Set that to the side. In my kit, I will have a plug and an orifice. I will not need the orifice. There's the plug. I'll set the other component aside. Set that down to the same location I just took the orifice out of. That's it. So it is now plugged. And that's all that I need to do looking over here on the other side on the pressure compensator adjustment portion of this control. So I'll take the compensator adjustment, set it vertically. Bring the body onto the compensator so everything stays in line. And you can tie that down to the proper torque. So the next item needs to be removed is the differential spool, and it needs to be replaced with a different differential spool. So here's the new differential spool. So I will take my wrench and then remove the differential pressure adjustment. Set it to the side. And then we'll remove the old spool. Take the new spool, put the flat end down. It should just fall down in. You should not need to force it. And like we did with the compensator adjustment, we're going to set this vertically and bring the body down on to the adjustment so that everything stays in place. Tighten this down to the proper torque. Now we can mount it onto a pump and set all of our pressures. So with the correct kit and a little time, it's easy to convert any of the P1, PD, B-mod controls to any one of the other available options. This flexibility adds to the pump ability to meet your customer's demand quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching.